Hi, I'm Allison.
And I'm Rob.
And we've been married for about 8 years now. We have 1-year-old twins and we both run our own business. You could say we're pretty busy. We just renovated our home and my top priority is safety and security.
And since family safety is our top priority, we need a home security system that is home automated and allows us to do things on the fly when we're chasing the kids or at work. So we need something that works with their smartphone.
We've worked so hard to create this into a home and I'm really proud of it. Come see our dining room. It's really important that we can see the kids, which is an eye shot from the dining room. This is the kids' room or the toy room. I'm thinking that I want some sort of nanny cam or a video surveillance, something where I can actually see them playing since they're in here the most. And then follow me into the kitchen. I love the kitchen. This was a big renovation project. It came out great. I heard about some carbon monoxide detectors. I also think that we should maybe get like some smoke detectors in here. I think it's really important, especially with small kids. And now my favorite part of the entire house is the waterway. I absolutely love this. It's so beautiful. I love sitting out here, watching the kids play and having a cup of coffee. The water makes me super nervous, obviously, with young children. So I think it's really important to get some sort of video or motion detector to make sure that I'm aware of when the kids are out there. Now follow me to the nursery. I love the nursery. It's so cute. So one thing I've noticed in here is that the windows are really low, and it makes me a little nervous with the windows next to the crib. I want to make sure there's some sort of detector, so if there's any motion or movement of trying to get in, that we're notified immediately. But isn't this room adorable? So my sister told me about this great website, SafeWise.com.
SafeWise is a website that reviews and compares home security products so you don't have to. Some of the most common questions we get are around child safety, so we have a whole section of the website dedicated to that. If you're looking for the right security camera, we have a guide for that too, from monitored to indoor and outdoor. Our carbon monoxide detectors buyer's guide walks you through all different types of carbon monoxide detectors along with where to place them in your home.
This is exactly what we're looking for.
What are you looking at?
We're looking at all the different home security, children's safety, family safety. It's got everything we need for our house.
Does it have anything on home automation?
Yes, right here, an entire section on it. And look, it ranks it all. This is so simple. This is exactly what we were looking for.
And it has all the information you would need.
It's perfect. Talking about you, I was checking out that website, SafeWise.
Oh my God, isn't it great?
Amazing. I got my entire security system within 30 minutes. I picked out a nanny cam and I got a video doorbell.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Did you get to check out their child safety buyer's guide?
Every single child review safety that you would need was on there.
Oh my God, that's awesome. That's where I got Jax's crib and his car seat.
So our hope is to earn the trust of all of our readers so they come back to us with all of their home safety questions.